I'm going to talk about studying. You can study anything. You can study how to play the guitar. You can study this and that. Talking about studying in school. So yun. I've always been tamad. I've always been lazy. It's just a trait of mine. Even when I was in kindergarten, I was so lazy that my yaya had to force me to study. But the thing is, when I actually do study, kaya ko naman eh. Since I was elementary, they've been telling me, alam mo Kara, matalino ka, tamad ka lang talaga. And I believe in that kasi when I study, kaya ko naman talaga eh. I'm intelligent in a way that's not book related. I have my own perspective in anything. So ayun. But the thing is, syempre, when you're a kid, you're supposed to focus on studies, which sucks because I hate studying. I hate it. It hates me. I swear. Nakakainis lang talaga kasi it hates me. As in, even if I try to study, there's always gonna be things na I'm gonna be thinking about. Sobrang lawa kasi ng imagination ko. Like, ay nako. I wish I was like my other friends. Kasi, actually, most of them, ako lang ata yung tamad eh, na babae. Yeah. Besides, yeah. Kasi I'm like super tamad. Like, grabe. If hindi ko talaga feel ang subject, magka-cutting ako. If hindi ko talaga feel mag-seat work, hindi ko talaga gagawin. If hindi ko talaga feel mag-test, mag-a-absent ako. Ganyan ako katamad. Oh my gosh. It's terrible. It's like eating me freaking alive and I don't wanna be like that kasi sa school ko, pag isang baksak, repeat agad. OE? My gosh, ano yun? Ang OE. OE, swear. And I'm so scared talaga kasi ayoko talaga mag-repeat. Yan lang talagang, that's what I'm scared of. Ayoko talaga mag-repeat. So, syempre, nag-aaral na ako. Pero ang hirap pa rin kasi it's like, it's hard to understand. I think it's hard for me to understand kasi last year hindi talaga ako nag-aral. As in, wala talaga. I never opened my books. When I did, I would sleep on it. And wala kaming teacher. So, parang feel ko madali lang yung lessons last year. Sobrang hirap na yun as in. Especially sa chemistry, wala akong alam. Wala akong maintindihan. Sa math, pwede pa eh. Sa chemistry, wala. Wala akong alam sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sa Filipino, malalim na nga yung language sa book, yung Filipino sa book. My teacher naman, yung Tagalog niya, mas malalim pa. As in, when he just wants to say the simple sentence, he says super duper hard. So wala talaga ako maintindihan. All I do is sleep. Gosh. Buti pa sa AP eh. Kaya ko pa kasi yung teacher ko nahihirapan na rin sa sobrang lalim ng Tagalog eh. Kaya nagtataglish na lang siya eh. Buti pa yun, naiintindihan ko eh. Yung sa Filipino talaga, wala talaga kami maintindihan. Tae. Nosebleed ako. Swear, nosebleed ako sa sobrang lalim ng Tagalog niya. Oh my gosh. Pati sa test niya, tayo to? It's like a Russian trying to read this Cantonese thing. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. That motivation of studying, pilitin mo pa rin, okay? Don't fall for tamad. Parang tamad and studying. Parang ganun yun eh. Tamad and studying. Si tamad, malandi siya. Playboy. Diba? Playboy. Si studying, the thing is, when you fall for studying, you're gonna improve more. And you're gonna be better in the future. Pag si tamad, pag si tamad, it's gonna feel good at first, pero mamaya, you're gonna regret it. Kasi, iiwan ka rin niya. Grabe, no? Parang, ginawang pag-ibig ang pag-aaral. Ano yun? Anyway, yun. O, diba? Wala lang. Sige. Bye!